To use bypass charging on your smartphone with Android, first of all, you will need to find bypass charging. So on most of the devices, you'll be able to find it in the settings, and then we can go to the battery right here. And then there's a charging settings, and now we have bypass charging. On the other devices, like for example, you would have a Samsung, it should be somewhere in the system. If you go to the bottom of the page for settings, there's additional settings or something like that. Then there's the gaming mode, and in the gaming settings, you'll be able to find bypass charging. And on the other devices, the bypass charging can be found directly in the gaming app. So you can find gaming app in most of the modern phones. It basically has a game in its name. So here I'm looking for an example of that. So if we type in game, yes, there's a game assistant. So that is all three ways where you can find bypass charging. Now to actually use it, you will need to plug in a cable and the charger to your phone. When they are connected, you can activate bypass charging. And what it does, it will make your phone basically stop charging normally. It won't go above the percentage it is currently, and it won't drop below it. And what it is, it basically powers the device directly using the cable and the charger. It doesn't charge your phone. And why you would like to do that is another question. And the answer to that is that your phone will stop overheating. So if you're playing games on your phone, bypass charging allows you to make your phone stay cool. And that is the answer. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.